Congratulations, Ty and Sydney. We wish you guys all the best, and we hope you can be as happy as we are.
Another fallen comrade.
Congratulations, Ty and Sydney.
We love you.
And we love cake too.
Always waking up from a dream, remembering how it felt to fall into how it used to be.
Congrats on the big day, Sydney and Ty. I hope that you two have a phenomenal life together. I have the fondest memories of you two, both from teaching you in grade 8 and 9 science and high level, and then refereeing Ty in basketball and volleyball, and coaching Sydney throughout her incredible volleyball career. And what a phenomenal athlete she is. I hope that you two have the absolute most amazing day.
I have a message for you. When I had my hunting bus, you closed the door on Mom and you said no women's allowed. Now today I witnessed you had a change of heart. Women's are allowed.
Love each other well, and when things are hard, always remember your wedding date.
You guys are great kids, great athletes, great students. You guys are lucky to have found each other. Have a great day, have a great life. I'm sure we'll see you around. All right, guys, congrats again.